bitch.
You ready? You ready?
Shut up, police officer.
If you looking for me, I ain't hard to find. I stay posted up on the block with my nine. If you looking for me, I ain't hard to find. I stay posted on the block, and I gotta keep that nine. Then if you looking for me, I ain't hard to find, cause I stay up on the block, posted with my nine, bitch. If you looking for me, I ain't hard to find, cause I stay up on the block, posted with my nine. Damn, I just murdered a couple niggas cause they talking shit. This just how I go. Damn, I go too ridiculous. You know how I do it. You know how it smells. Cushy blowing. Goddamn, cushy everywhere. I just throw the party. Ain't nothing but hoe. A couple of my Crip. A couple of my Joe. You know how I go. You know how I fucking do it. Kept me banging ETG and yeah, young niggas I influence. So get back. Before you get there, I don't play. Quit talking shit for your ass get split. And you know I'm frozen nigga like the zero. Play on ball about my 0-0. Ho wanna be a hero. I'm just still doing shit. Fuck around me, get hit, bitch. I don't really give a lay down shit. Fuck around with a nigga, get hit, nigga snitch. Yeah, how you do it? Fuck around me, nigga know how I do it. I don't really give a fuck with the boy. I don't really give a fuck with the boy.
Get him, bitch! Get him, bitch!
I don't got a bro on this
nigga. This Lil Robert!
You stupid bitch. Ho ass nigga, what the fuck? Look at your face, you stupid hoe. I bust down your door with the 4-4 hoe, you stupid bitches, nigga. Look at me, dog. I can burn her finger. You gon' mess with my shit, man. Quit messing with my shit, bro. Real talk, bro. You gay ass shit on there, man. Doing like this.
Yeah, you gonna be like this.
Stop the beat, fool.